Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Fubo TV 2026 review, including the latest pricing updates, what's new, and whether it's still worth in 2026. Let's get into it. Fubo started as a sports fan streaming service, but over the years it's expanded into a full live TV platform. Now in 2026, we will see if still deserves a top spot, or if the competition has caught up. What is Fubo? Fubo TV is a live TV streaming service focused on sports, news, and entertainment. Channels, unlike cable, there is no contract. You stream over the internet. It includes cloud DVR, multi screen viewing, and add on options. Pricing update. Now let's talk about pricing, because 2026 price changes have been a big talking point. Current plans of 2026, Fubo Standard is $85 per month. Basic Live TV lineup, Fubo Pro is $99.99 per month. More channels plus DVR storage. Fubo Elite is $115 per month. Largest channel package. And finally, Sports Plus add-on is $15 per month. A small note, these are approximate. Check live pricing if you want the exact current numbers, because you may be seeing this video after an update to their prices. Key pricing changes in 2026. Expanded base package with more entertainment channels, increased DVR storage limits on higher plans, more hardware integrations. Quick verdict on price. Fubo isn't cheap, but you are getting a true live TV replacement with more sports channels than most competitors. Pros. Number one, best sports coverage. More live sports channels than any other streaming service. NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL coverage, plus international sports. Deep channel lineup. News, entertainment, lifestyle, plus regional sports networks. Cloud DVR included. Tons of storage with higher tiers. Record multiple games at once. Great multi screen support. Watch on phones, TVs, tablets, profiles, and simultaneous streams included depending on plan. Added features: voice search, recommendations, sports overlays, and stats. Cons: pricey compared to peers, more expensive than Sling, Hulu Plus Live TV, and YouTube TV. Regional blackouts, some local games still blocked due to rights. Add ons add up fast. Want more sports or premium channels? Costs go up quickly. Interface occasional lag, not as slick as some competitors, in our opinion. Competition check. Is Fubo still the best? Now let's see some services. Fubo is best for sports fan plus live TV. YouTube TV is best for overall easy to use streaming. Hulu plus live TV is best for entertainment bundle, while Sling TV is budget option. Fubo still wins the sports coverage, but if you want cheaper or more entertainment focused, other platforms might fit better. Who should get it? You should consider Fubo 2026 if you watch lots of live sports, if you want a full live TV replacement, if you do not mind paying a premium. If you are on a tight budget or want more on demand content, alternatives might make more sense. So, is Fubo worth it in 2026? If you are a sports fan, yes. If not, consider other options. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in a new tutorial video. And if you find this review helpful, please share it to your friend.